In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Brevo, a task that's essential for ensuring your emails are verified and trusted by your recipients. Domain authentication not only bolsters your email deliverability, but also strengthens the security of your email communications. With these easy steps, you'll be on your way to a more reputable online presence. To begin, you'll first want to navigate your way to Brevo. Once there, direct your attention to your account options, which you can access by clicking on your profile picture. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the option labeled Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IP. This is where you'll manage and monitor your domains. Now that you're in the correct section, look for the Domains category. Here you'll find an option to add a domain. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the domain you wish to authenticate. This could be something like yourwebsite.com. Once you've typed in your domain, go ahead and click Add Domain. At this point, Brevo will give you two options for authenticating your domain. For our purposes, you'll want to select Authenticate the domain yourself. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed to the next step. After adding your domain, Brevo will provide you with 3 specific TXT records that you'll need to add to your domain settings. These records include your unique Brevo code, a DKIM record, and a DMARC record. Keep this information handy as you'll need it shortly. Next, head over to your domain registrar or hosting provider. This could be any platform from GoDaddy to Namecheap or services like Cloudflare or SiteGround. Log into your account and navigate your way to the DNS settings. This is often labeled as DNS Management or DNS Zone Editor. Here you'll want to add the TXT records Brevo gave you. Be exact when entering this information into your DNS settings to avoid any errors. You'll set the type to TXT and use the name or host information as specified by Brevo. This is often the @ symbol for root domains or something like mail/domain key for subdomains. The value field needs to be the exact text string that Brevo provided. After entering all details, save each record individually. Once saved, it's important to note that DNS changes can take time to propagate. This process can be immediate or may take up to 24 hours. You can check whether these records are live by using online tools like mxtoolbox.com and navigating to the TXT lookup option. Once your records are active, head back to Brevo and return to the Senders and IPs section, specifically the Domains area. Here you'll find your domain listed. Click Authenticate next to your domain. If everything's been set up correctly, Brevo will confirm that your domain is authenticated, effectively completing the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully authenticated your domain in Brevo, ensuring that your emails have a higher chance of reaching their intended destination while maintaining security standards.